In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Firebase dark mode. If you spend a lot of time in the Firebase console, switching to a darker interface can reduce eye strain and make long sessions more comfortable. While Firebase doesn't provide a built-in dark theme for the console, you can achieve the same effect by using a trusted browser extension that applies dark styling to websites. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and sign into your project as you normally would. Keep that tab open so you can immediately see the change once the dark mode is in place. The steps that follow will happen in your browser, not inside Firebase itself. Look to the top right of your browser toolbar for the puzzle-shaped extensions icon. Click it to open the menu that lists your installed extensions. From there, select Manage Extensions. This takes you to your browser's extensions management page, where you can install new tools and adjust existing ones. On the extensions page, locate and click the link to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official catalog where you can find safe, widely used extensions. Using the store's search bar, type Dark Theme. You're looking for a reputable dark mode extension that inverts colors intelligently or restyles pages for comfortable viewing. Take a moment to review the extension's ratings, number of users, recent updates, and the permissions it requests. Screenshots and user reviews can help you confirm that it works well on dashboard-style sites like the Firebase console. Once you've found a reliable option, click Add to Chrome. Your browser will show a prompt explaining what the extension can do. Read it, and if you're comfortable with the permissions, click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will download and install automatically, and you should see a brief confirmation message. Return to your Firebase console tab. Many dark mode extensions begin working right away and apply a darker palette across the interface. If you don't see changes immediately, try refreshing the page. Most tools include settings to fine-tune brightness, contrast, and whether images are adjusted, so you can customize the look until it feels right for your screen and lighting. Keep in mind that complex dashboards sometimes have a few elements that don't restyle perfectly. If something looks off, adjust the extension's site-specific options to exclude a problematic area or tweak the theme behavior for that page. That's it. Your Firebase console now has a comfortable dark appearance, making it easier to work day or night while reducing visual fatigue.